Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, what are we going to learn in today's video? So, I have started a new project in SketchUp and I will guide you step by step how to just start with a new project. So first of all, we need an architectural plan. And over here, you can see I have imported that architectural plan in my SketchUp software. Now, what I have to do over here? I will have to first delete the unnecessary lines that are there in my architectural plan. You can also make the changes in the AutoCAD file itself. So if you are using any CAD software like the AutoCAD or JWCAD, then you can just modify this according to your need in that one. Like I had a furniture layout of this architectural plan and I had deleted all the unnecessary things over there. But still I have some lines over here and it is giving me a hard time to make the surfacing. So I will also delete the lines that are present in the window so that whenever I can draw a line, I will simply make a surface over here. So I need to make all these changes in all the plans that I have. Now over here, you will also have to look for the similarity. Like you can see, we have two floors similar. So even if I am not changing the second floor, then it is okay. Like this is a B plus G plus 3 structure. So this is our basement and the height of the basement is 11 feet, of which 5 feet will be visible from the ground. But you can see while importing this, the dimension of this plan had changed. So what I need to do? I need to measure the accurate dimension first. So I have the PDF file of this. So I will just open up the PDF file and you can see in the X direction, it is 24 feet from outer wall to outer wall. So I can use my tape measure tool and then I can just take the measurement from there. But to be sure, I will also check another plans like this is the plan for the first floor. As I have already told you, this is a B plus G plus 3 structure. So we will measure the dimension taking the basement into consideration and then I can easily use my tape measure tool over here and enter the digit or the measurement as 24 feet. Now I will just click on OK. So it will bring my dimension in the right measurement. Okay. So over here you can see we have how much distance in this direction? 45 feet and 4 inch. So this is what we need and I have verified it from the AutoCAD drawing that I had. Okay, so I'm not showing it over here, but I have already verified it. Okay, now this was a simple technique of using the tape measure tool to scale your imported AutoCAD drawings. Now you can use this technique just once to scale because this will not just change the plan that you are working with, but it will change the scale of the whole SketchUp model. Okay, now what I need to do? I need to create different surfaces so that I can start with the modeling part. Okay, so over here you can see I am trying to use the line tool so that I can have surface at different portions. If the line tool is not working, then you can go for the rectangle tool also. Now I am just erasing the unnecessary lines over here so that when I have to drag the wall, then I can use the time at its maximum efficiency. So you will have to just delete all the unnecessary lines. Otherwise, it will divide your surfaces in different parts. Now, over here, we will take the measurement. So, for this floor, like usually the standard floor to floor height is 10 feet 6 inches. But in this one, we can't just go for that. Now, you can see in my toolbar, I have also a different tool over here. Now this extension I have downloaded just to make my work easier, and I'm trying to modify it in order to just get the options that I require. Otherwise, I can just simply cut the portion of that. So that is an array tool and that will come handy while modeling, and I will show you in the next video how you can make it handy. So now I will just provide a height of 12 feet because the floor to floor height is more than the standard over here. So I am just providing a height of 12 feet to the walls. Now over here is the window box projection and I don't need that in my model. So I will simply delete that. Now I can use my line tool, and if the line tool is not working, I will go for the rectangle tool. What is the loss while using the rectangle tool? That you will get extra lines which will divide your surface. Otherwise, you can simply draw the line using the line tool and it will make your work easier. Now, I will just reverse the faces so that I can get a white color all around. Now in SketchUp, white color represents the outer portion and the blue color represents the inner surface. Okay, so this way we need to work on our model. Now I will simply take the measurement over here and the line has been overlapped at this portion. So I will just delete the unnecessary line because I know that the thickness of outer wall is 10 inches. So I have taken the measurement and deleted the unnecessary line over here. Now what we have to do? We need to reverse the faces as I have already explained you for the previous floor. So what is the next step? I need to draw the walls. Now, I've already told you that the first floor and the second floor are similar. So I don't need to make the core house for both the floors. I can just work with one floor and then copy the floor to overlap with the other. So I have made the core house for the second floor and I don't need to work for the first floor. So now you can see over here that this is my terrace, and on the terrace I have a puja room with us. So I will give a height of 8 feet over here and I will do the same for the staircase too, because otherwise I will have a boundary wall over here. Now that boundary wall can be anything, that can be either of the glass or even the brickwork can be there. So that depends upon the reference image that we have chosen and verified with our client that what our client needs over there. So guys, that was all for today. If you want to learn 3D modeling in our live classes, then you can just fill this Google form. You will get the link of this Google form in the description, and all you have to do is to fill your details over here and I will personally give you a call. So guys, we will meet with the next video part of this project. Till then, keep practicing on SketchUp, and yes, if you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to our channel.